Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Now today we will study maths. Okay, so all of you take your math magic workbook and open the page number 28. Yesterday we have done up to page number 27, main 2. Okay, second one we have done yesterday. Okay, now in the previous video we have done 1 and 2. Now today we will do third one. See, first of all read it. In the long jump for girls, Gopi had the shortest jump of 3 meter, 32 centimeter. Minu came second. She jumped 12 centimeter more than Gopi. Gopi how much? Gopi had the shortest jump of 3 meter 32 centimeter. Minu came second. She jumped 12 centimeter more than this Gopi. So this 12 centimeter is not the actual measurement of real measurement of this Minu. Okay. Now see, Nilu jumped the longest. She jumped 13 centimeter more than Minu. This Minu is also not right one. We have to find it. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Nilu and Gopi? Now see, the exact measurement of jumps of Gopi is 3 meter 32 centimeter. Now we have to find out about Minu. See, now Minu jumped 12 centimeter more than Gopi. So, more than Gopi, no. So, 3 meter 32 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. Then we get this 2 plus 2 4 and 3 plus 1 4. So, 3 meter 44 centimeter. This, what is this 3 meter 44 centimeter? Is the real measurement of the jump by Minu. Okay. Now, Nilu jumped 13 centimeter more than Minu. Okay. So, 3 meter 44 centimeter plus 13 centimeter is equal to, what we get? If we add 3 meter 44 centimeter plus 13 centimeter, then we get 3 meter 57 centimeter. In the rough work, you have to add it. Okay. Now you have to find out difference between the long jumps of Nilu and Gopi. See, Nilu's jump measurement is 3 meter 57 centimeter and Gopi's measurement is 3 meter 32 centimeter. Here you have to find out the difference. Okay. Whenever difference comes, you have to do subtraction. So write down difference between jumps of Nilu and Gopi. Nilu and Gopi is equal to this 3 meter 57 centimeter minus 3 meter 32 centimeter minus 3 meter 32 centimeter. If we subtract 3 meter 32 centimeter from 3 meter 57 centimeter, then we get the answer 25 centimeter. This 25 centimeter is your correct answer. So the difference between the long jumps of Nilu and Gopi is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now see main 19. The world records and Indian records for long jump and high jumps are given in the table below. Here one table is there. In that table, sports names are given and world record given and Indian records are given in the table below. Okay. This world record and Indian records are given in the table and answer the following questions on its basis. On this table, on the basis of this table, you have to give the answer of the following questions. Now see, first of all, see the table. Here sports, world record, Indian record. See, sports name high jump for men. So world record who has done? Xavier S. 2 meter 45 centimeter and Indian record Chandra Pal 2 meter 17 centimeter. Now long jump men, world record Mike P 8 meter 95 centimeter and Indian record Amrit Pal 8 meter 8 centimeter. Now high jump for woman Stefka K 2 meter 9 centimeter and Bobby A Indian record 1 meter 91 centimeter. Long jump woman Galina C 7 meter 52 centimeter and Indian record Anju G 6 meter 83 centimeter. Here measurements of the long jump and high jumps of Indian record and world records are given in the table. Now see the first one. See, first one, how many centimeters more should Chandra Pal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? Okay. See. Now see what they ask. How many centimeters more should Chandra Pal jump to equal the men's world record for the high jump? See, first of all, Chandra Pal, how much? High jump, huh? High jump. Chandra Pal 2 meter 17 centimeter. And men's world record for high jump, world record, this one, Xavier S 2 meter 45 centimeter. Okay. Now here you have to write down Indian Chandra Pal jump record is equal to 2 meter 17 centimeter and world Xavier S jump record is equal to 2 meter 45 centimeter. Now you have to find out that how many more should Chandra Pal jump. કેટલા વધારે કરવા પડશે કોના સુધી રીચ કરવા માટે equal to world's record this much. Okay, 2 meter 45 centimeter उसे करना है तो कितना ज़्यादा करना होगा. How many more centimeters you have to jump, that we have to find out. So 2 meter 45 centimeter minus this 2 meter 17 centimeter. Now centimeters come, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Now 5 minus 7 is not possible. So we have to borrow from this 4. So here comes, here remains 3 and 15 here. 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter minus 2 meter, 0 meter. Okay. So what is the answer? 28 centimeters. So you have to write down here answer. Chandra Pal jump 28 centimeter more to equal the men's world record for high jump. Okay. Now see the second one. First of all, read the questions. How many centimeters more should Anju G jump to equal the women's world record for a long jump? Okay, women's world record. See, women's world record for a long jump. So you have to see in a long jump, but see in the women's. Okay, they are talking about the women's. Now Indian record Anju G 6 meter 83 centimeter and world record Galina C 7 meter 52 centimeter. Now see here, they are talking about long jump. So Indian Anju G jumped record is equal to 6 meter 83 centimeter and world record Galina C jump record is equal to 7 meter 52 centimeter. Now you have to find out how many centimeters more should Anju jump. Okay, so उसके कितना jump ज़्यादा करना होगा. That's equal to world record for a long jump. Okay, women's world record. Okay, see, so this 7 meter 52 centimeter is greater, so we have to minus this 6 meter 83 centimeter from 7 meter 52 centimeter. Now see, 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 6 meter 83 centimeter. See there, here centimeters come. Now 2 minus 3 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 5. Okay, so 12 comes here. 12 minus 3, 9, and here 4 remainings. Okay, this again 4 minus 8 is not possible, so we have to borrow from this 7. So 6 is remaining here, and here comes 14. Now 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, so your answer is 69 centimeters. So answer, Anju G jumped 69 centimeter more to equal the woman's world record for a long jump. This is your answer. Now see page number 29, third one. See the question, how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Okay, here we have to find out about how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump. See, in Bobby's jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. Bobby's high jump record is equal to 1 meter 91 centimeter. It's mentioned in the table. You can able to see it. Now here we have to subtract 1 meter 91 centimeter from 2 meter to reach 2 meters. हमें कहाँ पे reach करना है? 2 meters तक no. So 1 meter 91 centimeter, we have to subtract this 1 meter 91 centimeter from 2 meter. See here, meter centimeter 2 meter, here nothing, so 0 0 minus 1 meter 91 centimeter. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we have to borrow from this. Here also 0, so we have to borrow from this 2. So 1 remaining and 1 comes here, so 10. Okay, and we have to give this here also no. So here 9 is remaining and here 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 0, and 1 minus 1, 0. So what's your answer? 9. 9 centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters. कितने सेंटीमीटर चाहिए? 9 centimeter. Okay. Now see fourth questions. What is the difference between the world record and Indian record of high jump for a man? Here they are talking about high jump for a man. Okay, so world record is equal to 2 meter 45 centimeter. Indian record is equal to 2 meter 14 centimeter. We are talking about high jump. Okay, you can able to see in the tables, given tables also. Okay, see, now you have to find out difference between. Whenever you have to find out difference, at that time you have to do subtraction. Okay, difference is equal to what? Which one is the greater here? 2 meter 45 centimeter is the greater. So we have to write down 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to borrow from this 4. So here 3 remains and here 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So what your answer? 28. So here you have to write down the difference between the world record and Indian record of high jump for a man is equal to, you can able to write down is also or is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, now see the fifth one. How many centimeters more should Amrit Pal jump to reach 9 meters? Here what they ask, to reach 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters तक रीच करने के लिए उसे कितने सेंटीमीटर्स मोर चाहिए इन अ लॉन्ग जंप. हियर ऑल्सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉन्ग जंप. सी, so see in the table, see that Amrit Pal long jump record is equal to 8 meter 8 centimeter. No, see in the table 8 meter 8 centimeter ही है ना. Okay, now see here we have to subtract 8 meter 8 centimeter from 9 meter to reach 9 meters. Okay, कहाँ तक reach करना है? 9 meters तक. Okay, so we have to subtract 8 meter 8 centimeter from 9 meters. See here, meters centimeter, 9 meters, no centimeters, so 0 comes, minus 8 meter 8 centimeter. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we have to borrow from this 9. So 8 remains here and here comes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, and 8 minus 8, 0. 2 centimeter. Okay, in centimeters it's remain 2. Now see, your answer is 2 centimeters. So write down in the answer, Amrit Pal have to jump 2 centimeter more to reach 9 meters. Okay, now see sixth one. Galina's long jump is nearly, here choose the correct options is given, nearly 7 meter, 7.5 meter, 8 meter or 8.5 meter. See, Galina's long jump in the given table is Galina's long jump record is 7 meter 52 centimeters. It's a given in the table. Okay, already given 7 meter 52 centimeters. So it's a nearly which one? 7 meter, 7.5 meter, 8 meter, 8.5 centimeter, 8.5 meter. So we have to find this answer. We have to do calculations here. So see, here I have done 7 meter 52 centimeter. See, is equal to 7 meter plus 52 centimeters is given, no? So see, in the rough work, see here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Here 52 centimeter is given. Okay, so 52 centimeter is equal to how much? So 52 multiplied by this 1. 52 multiplied by this 1 upon this 100. Okay, now what's remaining? 52 multiplied by 1, so 52. Okay, so 52 is equal to 52 upon 100. So we have to put decimal here. So our answer is 0.52. Okay, therefore here answer is 7 meter plus 0.52 meter. Okay, this one. Now if we add 7 meter plus 0.52 meter, then we get the 7.52 meter. Here we have converted this centimeter into meter. That's why we get the answer 0.52. That's it. That's you have to notice it. ये तो आप सोचेंगे कि ये कहाँ से आ गया. Okay. Now see, we have converted centimeters into meter. Now if we add 7 meter plus 0.52, then we get the answer 7.52 meter. 7.52 means it's a nearly 7.5. Okay. Answers, your answer is Galina's long jump is nearly 7.5 meter. It's a easy. Now see the 7th one. In the women's world records, what is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? यहाँ पे here they are talking about women's world record, and in that women's world record they are talking about longest jump and the highest jump. What is the difference? That's you have to see. See, high jump is equal to 2 meter 9 centimeter and long jump is equal to 7 meter 52 centimeter. Here you have to find out the difference. So whenever difference comes, you have to do subtraction. Difference is equal to long jump minus high jump. Okay. See, meter centimeter, 7 meter 52 centimeter minus this 2 meter 9 centimeter. Okay. So 2 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to borrow from this 5. So here 4 remaining and here 12. 12 minus 9, 3. And here nothing. So 4. Okay. 7 minus 2, 5. So your answer is 5 meter 43 centimeter. So difference between the long jump and the high jump is equal to 5 meter 43 centimeter. Now on page number 13, 8th one and 9th one, it's also similar to this one. So you have to do in the homework. You can able to do by your own. So okay, bye bye.